Hi dear masters, as a second part of our lecture we have to talk about Angren Pop tunnel. So the theme based on working on special text from special literature, grammar review, and non-fine forms of the verb. Today we talk about these issues for reading and for grammar parts as well. And as you see on the screen, you can see Chinese engineers and ready-made tunnel, Kamchik tunnel. The background information about Angren Pop railway line. This railway line is an electrified railway line in eastern Uzbekistan. It provides additional transport line beside Kamchik Road Pass, improving the connection between the Fergana Valley with the rest of Uzbekistan. The total cost of the project was $1.9 billion. The line opened on 22nd June 2015. Passenger trains began operating on 1 September 2016. The main outlines, please copy it out and make later conspect. The 123 kilometers long electric rail line connects the existing railway at Angren and Pop to create a direct road between the cities of Tashkent and Namangan. The total length of this, let's say, line. The new rail allows Uzbekistan to abandon the Soviet era line that cuts across Tajikistan's south region, saving Uzbekistan a reported $25 million in transit fees it pays to Tajikistan each year. So we economize this kind of fees, let's say. The project costed an estimated $1.9 billion. Of course, it will give the result after 10 or 15 years. And construction began in July 2013. In September 2003, China Railway Tunnel Group signed a construction contract worth $455 million. The project was funded by the Uzbekistan government and international loans. In May 2014, the Export-Import Bank of China announced it would lend Uzbekistan $350 million to fund the Chinese tunnel contract. In February 15, the World Bank confirmed it would lend Uzbekistan $195 million for the Angren Pop line. It built a loans of Uzbekistan Railways from foreign countries, let's say. The line includes Kamchuk Tunnel, the longest tunnel in Central Asia. The length of it 2.1 kilometers of bridge, and so on. The view of Kamchuk local location of Uzbekistan station, though in it 4-station service plan, opened 22nd June, owner Uzbekistan Rail, operator Uzbekistan Rail, length 123 kilometers, 1,520 millimeters of standard track gauge. Kamchik Pass. So information given about this Kamchik Pass, or you can take copy of this all information from lecture 2. So if we talk about Kamchik Pass, it is spelled also Kamchi or Kamchi. It's mountain pass at Kurama Mountain in eastern Uzbekistan. The pass provides strategically important road and access for ground transport traveling between Tashkent and Namangan regions in Fergana Valley by passing neighboring Tajikistan. It connects the capital city of Tashkent with the second largest city in neighboring Kyrgyzstan. The peak of the pass reached 2,368 meters above the sea level. For centuries, the Kamchik Pass was part of Central Asia's Silk Road. Approximately 10,000 to 15,000 vehicles travel through the Kamchik Pass each day. Each day, it is the traffic number. The tunnel was built by China, and the tunnel is open in 2016. Though turning to the grammar part, after reading material, we need to consider these forms, non-finite forms. As a bachelor's or before the bachelor's in foundation courses, I'm sure that you should know and you should observe these non-finite forms and the basic grammar rules. Though these non-finite forms are three, they include three forms: infinitive or bare infinitive form, gerund form, and participle form. Of course, it is basic form of this infinitive to study. If we talk about bigger infinitive, we should omit two prepositions. Second one, gerund form, studying, let's say formed with ing form, and participle, studied. Most students, let's say, mix this form with two preposition were adjourned with continuous form or participle with past simple form. But here you should be very attentive because those are non-final forms mostly used with second, let's say, individual verbs. They are separate from it, but they use together with another verbs. Clear, right? So you can take more grammar rules from Murphy books, Hazard, or any kind of Oxford grammar books, IELTS grammar books. It doesn't matter. All the things review and answer the questions because not all, some questions are taken and concerned about grammar review as well. So turning to the reading part, there is some Uzbek information and everything is clear, I hope. Thank you for your attention.